Hi and welcome back. Today's episode is about extracting information from the web with Pandas in Python. You're going to learn how to use Pandas to read and extract information from the web, how to scrape information from the web, which function we have to use. Let's learn how to capture the desired table, paragraph, or object from the web. We're going to use functions to filter data by columns, by rows, with tables, anything you want to in Pandas. Let's go next to learn now. Let's start first by calling the libraries we need for this. In this case, we always call Pandas for data manipulation and matplotlib if you want to plot something. Let's call here Pandas, and we have to, first of all, select the information you want to or talk about it. In this case, I'm going to show you data from NBA, and then let's see what we're going to do. First of all, we go to our desired website. In this case, I am the Wikipedia National Basketball Association webpage. In this case, we have several information about the NBA. As you can see, there are so many information, so many tables, as you will see, pictures, okay, a lot of information. However, you have to select that desired information. In this case, you can see here, we have division, team, location, arena, and then we're going to call them our variables or features for this table. And you can see every team has a division, a name, of course, location, capacity, and so on. But this is not the only table here in this website. That's where you have to be careful. You can see, you continue scrolling down and you will find more tables. You choose the one you want to, and you can see there are several information. Okay, but we're going to talk about the one with the division and location. So then we come here, we use that website, as you can see here, and we use the function read HTML. PD for Pandas, so we call the function read HTML, and the link I just showed you. Then we are gonna store this information in tabs, and we display the number of tables the function has captured. In this case, it's telling us, okay, I captured 48. You can see here, I'm gonna show you the first 6, for example. You can see there's a lot of information. This is the one we wanted to, division, team, location, so on. However, there's more information if you continue scrolling down. You can see here, founded, joined, team, conference, win, loss, total, and so on. These are the finals, of course. You can see here. You choose the table you want, all the information you want. In this case, I want the table with division's name, team's name, location, capacity, okay? So how do I do this? Do I call the number here? Well, it's better to use other functions, of course. In this case, we're going to use match. Match is an option that allows us to use a string or a regular expression to select our tables. In this case, there is some information. There is division. You can see match division. It means that the table needs to have division on it. Then we call this, and we will see. Let's see if there is only one. Took some time. Now, as you can see, there's only one table with that information on it. Let's see. We select the first one because it's Python will start with 0. The indices always start with 0. And the list, that's the column's name. As you can see, okay, let's see. It's everything I wanted. Perfect. As you can see here, all the variables or features I wanted to use. Great. So df now is my data frame, and I store all the information, and we can just select the information we want to by using iloc. Iloc allows us to select or filter by rows or by columns. You can see here I'm saying, okay, which columns I want to use. Okay, then index 0, index 1, and index 4. How I'm gonna call them? Okay, I'm gonna call them division, team, and capacity. Why? Because I want to group by division, for example, to test different statistical measures for the capacity. Or I want to just graph by team, for example, plot something about teams. And the result of all this, as you can see here, is these first lines of first observation. Capacity of the stadium or the arena for each team given certain division. Well, what else we can do? Of course, we can do data manipulation because something I have learned is that this data not necessarily is clean. So we have to work with data manipulation in our next chapter, working with Pandas and Python. You will learn how to group by, how to filter, how to get rid of null values, and so on. Let's see next in our next chapter talking about more about Pandas and Python here.